How to make public profile on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make public profile on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your Snapchat app on our device. Tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Select your icon at top right corner. Scroll down and under Privacy Control, select Contact Me and tap to Friends and Contact. Come back, select View My Story and then tap Custom and you can select the Custom Privacy or you can select Friends only. Now tap See Me in Quick Add and make sure to check mark Show Me in Quick Add. Now once you have done this privacy control settings, you can easily update the Snapchat application as well. You need to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. If not, head to the Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. If there is update button, tap update and update it to the latest version. Other thing you can do is simply you need to change your birthday. For that, you need to be on settings section and locate birthday and tap on it. And you have to simply edit your birthday and make it to above 18 years old. Once you do that, you can easily go to your profile feed and from here you can easily create your public profile by finding create public profile. If it's not visible, you need to wait a bit as settings update and you have to tap create public profile and follow the prompts to complete setup. So by creating a public profile, your name will appear on any snaps posted to Spotlight or Snap Map as retrieval lenses you have made will be included. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.